I was fishing at Stockton. There was a water spout. We got a water spout. I'm gonna see if I can just get the thunder on film. It's loud. My garden just got killed. It's flooded. 4 or 5 inches of rain under it. We had hail earlier, a little penny-sized hail. God, the lightning is incredible out here right now. Whoa! We just had some hail. 2 inches. That's a good. It is still extremely loud out here right now. Oh, this is incredible. First official severe thunderstorm of the year for me. This thing just went severe thunderstorm warned. We already have water spouts today in Stockton, tornadoes in Galway. This thing just came up out of nowhere. I watched it develop. I got the first video on film. Wow, that water's pouring out of that storm drain. Like a creek over there. Yeah, we had some flooding earlier. There might be another one right behind it. It's probably producing quarter-size hail now over there. The lightning, it was just so loud. I ran out of video filming, so I had to turn the camera off. Right after I turned the camera off, we had at least good 50, close to 60 lightning bolts. It was loud. I'm telling you, this lightning was loud. We're on the back side of it now. Constant thunder. There's a bunny out there. There was penny-sized hail falling earlier. It's all melted. Oh! It's all melted now. Damn! Whoa. That was ridiculously close. Wow! This is going to be a great video. Oh, it's starting to rain again. What's it doing? Back building? I have like a waterproof case for this. Oh, there's another good lightning bolt. Just cleaning out the camera here. Yeah, it's still developing right behind us. Still got some street flooding. Get my shirt up under it. It's just constant thunder. Ooh, that was so bright I couldn't even get the camera. Whoa! That one was close. The best storm I've... Oh! Shit! I was right there. Wow! Minor street flooding. It's pouring out of the storm drains. Oh, I see a hail shaft right there. Oh, not the camera. You can see that white haze. That's the hail shaft. There's hail falling right there. There's definitely hail in this thing again. Atlantic City's getting nailed right now. That's its next stop right now. See the hail shaft right up there. That white coloring. That's the hail. Oop, there's another boulder over there. The storm is severe thunderstorm warning for ping pong ball size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. They already produced golf ball size hail in Galloway. They also had there's a picture on my Facebook of a good-sized wall cloud right over the city. It was producing a tornado. There was a weak tornado reported over there. People were taking pictures of it. That was a good bolt. There's a car alarm again. There's something with that car alarm. Every time we get lightning, that car alarm goes off. We got one more bolt on film here. Let's go. Oh, there's two. There was two of them right over there. There's that hail shaft right there. Like a big hail shaft. That white area. Two bolts. This video's getting ready to end.